Today we're going to take a look at two confusing words. Well, actually three if you think about it. What? Yeah. Today's words are already, one word. Already, two words. See, I told you it was going to be three words. Already, one word. A-L-R-E-A-D-Y. It's an adverb. Adverbs modify the verb. Okay. So, already one word is something that has happened or occurred. Like, I already finished my homework, Mom. It's already occurred. It's already happened. Or existed before a specified time. We already had been to the store when we were told to go back and get something else. We had already been there. We had been there before. Oh, okay. Got it. Already. One word. Did you already know this? Oh, that's a great use of it. Have you already been thoroughly confused? Something that has happened before? Got it. Now, already two words, two words, it refers to being fully prepared. Think of that. Already fully prepared. Two-word definition for the two-word use of already. To be fully prepared or ready for something. What? For example, our bags were packed already. So now we were already, two words, to go to the airport. Want to do that again? Our bags were already packed. So now we were all ready to go to the airport. Oh, okay, got it. Already, one word is an adverb. Something that has happened or occurred or existed before a specified time or a completion prior to. And already two words meaning fully prepared or ready for something. But fully prepared is two words, just like already is two words. See the connection? Why does English have two words or sayings that are oh so close and sound exactly the same, but one's one word and one's two words? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Bill already left for the airport. He thought we were all ready. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with already one word or already two words? You already thought of one? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.